Convert Newman projection into line angle formula and assign the IUPAC name. So here we have this Newman projection, and where all of these three lines intersect, this represents the front carbon, and we can draw the front carbon. And then we can think, what three groups is this front carbon attached to? So it is attached to a hydrogen. It is also attached to a CH2CH3 group, and it is also attached to a methyl group, a CH3 group. Behind this carbon there is a back carbon, and this back carbon is also attached to three groups. So let's go ahead and draw the carbon in the back, and that carbon is attached to a hydrogen. It is also attached to a CH3 group, and it is attached to a CH3 group again. And the next thing that we're going to do is we will draw the line angle formula, and in order to do that we will find a carbon chain. So let's say I'm choosing this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to draw a 4 carbon chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to see what is missing that I did not attach to it. Carbon 2 has an ethyl group, CH2CH3 group, so I'm going to draw an ethyl. And carbon 3 has a methyl group like this, and I have taken care of all of the atoms in this molecule, so this must be my line angle formula. In order to assign the name, I will erase my numbers, and I will now look for the longest continuous carbon chain. And if you try different ways, you can see that this is my longest continuous carbon chain, or it could be going this way. And my longest continuous carbon chain has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. 5 carbons means it is a pentane. And next I'm going to number from the end of my parent chain that is closest to the first group attached, which would be this end, because if I would start numbering here, I would go 1, 2, 3. So here I would get a methyl and carbon 3, and here 1, 2, I get a methyl and 2. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, I'm starting to number from this end because this group receives the lowest number. And this is just the 1 carbon group. This is a methyl group, so we will call it 2 methyl. This is also a methyl group attached to carbon 3, so this is 3 methyl. And because they're the same groups, we can put them together, and our name becomes 2, 3 dimethyl pentane. So this molecule is 2,3 dimethyl pentane.